Hey everyone, it's Vanessa. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is actually a pretty exciting vlog, so I'm all ready for the day and dressed up because Alan and I are actually heading to Ikea to go pick up an order that I had been trying to place and pick up for the last 2 weeks of some of the finishing touches for my study room so that I can finally finish filming and finish decorating for my apartment reno video, which you guys have been waiting for. Like, it's been a time and a half of me trying to finish things and just taking my time of like not doing it. But today we are finally going to pick up some of the last things, and then some of the other things I'm just waiting for to arrive in my Amazon order. But that is what we are doing. I think we're gonna go actually pick up Starbucks before we go because this will be my first time getting Starbucks since the quarantine started. So like 2.5, 3 months. No, actually since my birthday. So yeah, almost 3.5 months since I've had Starbucks. Geez, I'm missing it. So we're gonna go pick that up first, but I just wanted to show you guys quickly first some new cases that I recently got from Casetify. I currently only have the one phone case that I always use, so I was super excited to get these new cases that are customized and they're so cute. So let me just show you guys them because I'm in love. So first off, I want to talk about this packaging because how cute is this little bubble envelope that they came in with their name all over it. And then they also sent me some just cleaning wipes, which is awesome. But these are the 4 cases that I got. 2 of them are custom, but I'm obsessed with literally all of them. They're so my aesthetic. The first one that I got is this burgundy one that just says Ness on it, my name. And then the inside is this hot pink, but I love this color. It's just natural and I think it's gonna be great. The next one is this kind of creamy white and black flower outline print. Very aesthetic and pretty. And then this is probably my favorite, but it's this clear cloud one. I think it's so gorgeous and it reminds me of that Summer Fridays filter on Instagram right now. But super cute. And then the last one is this marble black one. So this is another one of the customizable ones that you can put print on. You can write your name or whatever you want, but it's just super sleek and I needed something a little bit darker as well. But all of them are such great quality, and I got all of them in the normal impact protective because I don't know, it's super important for me to have protection on my phone because I drop it all the time. I'm such a klutz, but I'm so obsessed with all of these. So you guys can go ahead and use my link. It's Casetify/Vanessa, and then my code is Vanessa as well for 20% off all of those cases. You guys can match with me. You can get all these 3 the same, but then you could get this one the same with your name on it. I think that'd be so cute. But these are all of the cases that I got. So thank you again to Casetify for sponsoring this. Their cases are amazing. I love them. I'm so excited to put these on my phone. So I just slipped the little cloud phone case on to my phone, but I wanted to show that they are military grade protection and do a little fun drop test. So you can see my phone works perfectly fine right now, and it's got the impact bumpers on the side. So we're gonna drop it and see what happens. As you can see, it's still working perfectly fine. The case is still in 100% perfect condition, so it's totally drop proof, and I love that because like I said it earlier, I'm such a klutz and I drop my phone all the time. So Casetify cases are 100% drop approved. But we are heading out to go to Ikea now. I'm so excited to pick up my stuff. Let's go. There, first Starbucks since quarantine. So let me show you. These are my 2 favorite and go-to drinks. We just got a regular matcha latte with coconut milk, and then a iced coffee with sweet cream and hazelnut and a little splash of almond milk. 2 go-tos. They're the best things. I stand them. He will agree with me.
Yeah, they're really good.
I'm thinking we might get this one for the shelf, just like an extra little feature piece. The pink one's cute too though, so I'm not sure. But then I really like these ones with the like open bulbs. Don't know. All right, we just got back from Ikea, but I thought I'd update you guys because we have a funny little story. So first off, I got this this frame here for my map, and I got a call before we went saying that this was all sold out, but we walked through and found it, so thanks Ikea, but I got you. And then the next thing was I ordered this shelf because I thought it was the same as this shelf. So now I have two different sized shelves, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep both of them or return this one, get another one of that, or return this one, get another one of that. So I have a feeling I'm just going to keep both and put the bigger one on the bottom of the wall in there and then the smaller one on top. But you guys will have to stay tuned to my apartment reno video to see how it turns out. Then the other thing that we got from Ikea that I ordered is this mirror here. So it's just a, hello, it's a little square mirror with a white frame, and it's because this is actually for my room and for an upcoming video that is a DIY that you guys will have to stay tuned again to see. I also ended up getting some little candles and deco for the shelves, but as you guys also saw that I was filming, there was this cute little like lamp that I saw that I really liked. The problem is that it's a plug-in lamp, and I want one that's just a little battery powered, so I don't know if I'm gonna end up going back and getting it or what. But it was nice to see that Ikea was open. Like, we had no idea it was open. We thought you just had to order and then pick up, but turned out it was all open. And yeah, that kind of blew my mind to start seeing things feel back to normal a little bit. But that is the little update for now. It's a little bit later in the day now. I have some different makeup on just because I was shooting some other content and stuff. But a few days ago I bought this rice paper wraps. They're for like spring rolls and just like little wraps and stuff. So I thought it'd be fun to kind of try those out and make some little wraps with you guys today, or like spring rolls. Don't really know, but currently have just the shrimp and mushrooms frying in here for those, and then we're gonna do cucumber and carrots and kale, and we're gonna try and just like roll them up all nice like that, and we're gonna see how this goes. Alright, so all the recipes that I saw had like a big leaf of lettuce, like a romaine or something, and I don't have that, so we're gonna use kale because I only have kale or spinach, and kale was the closest. So the first thing that all of them have said to do is to wet the rice paper, and then you put it down and then you can roll it. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm not really sure how many I'm gonna make, but like I chopped all the veggies into little slices and they're kind of all the same length, so let's see how this goes. Okay, and then once it's all wet, you just put it on the wet, damp cutting board and you kind of just place everything on, and we'll see how this goes. But they all put on like the leaf first here, and then put all the veggies that you want on top of that. I don't want to make it too full, like I want it to actually roll. And then they put the shrimp in like a nice pretty row here, like a little bit up from it. Okay, I'm gonna try this, and then they fold this part over. Oh, that side's good. This side's not so good. Hey, that actually worked pretty well. Look at that. Okay, let's try this again. so here are the finished little spring rolls. They look so good. I'm actually pretty proud of myself of how like wrapped they are, but the recipe said that these are Vietnamese spring rolls, and then I just got this chili sauce to go with it, but we'll see how this goes and see how they taste. I'm excited to try them. It just stopped raining, so we thought we would come outside and eat. So got our spring rolls, but gonna eat out here and take a little break and then probably pop back inside and do some more work because I've been creating content, doing some TikToks and Instagram stuff today, but that is currently what is up. We are going to check the mail because I just got a notification that I got a package in. So we're gonna, super windy. I think it's gonna rain again. We're gonna see if the package actually got there or not, because the other day I got a delivery and it actually wasn't there. There we go. Let's see. Yay, I'm so excited. So this is the package that I just got. It's from this little brand called The Cozy Corner by a girl who's actually in Toronto as well. I love being able to support your guys' smaller local businesses. Especially, like I said, she's in Toronto, but it's a tie-dye sweatsuit. It's actually a bleached tie-dye sweatsuit, so I'm just about to open it up. I'm actually so excited. I've been waiting for this, and she was such a sweetheart. So this is what it looked like inside the bag. She just sent these little candies and a handwritten card. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Guys, I love being able to support smaller local businesses, but I'm about to try this on. It's a bleached tie-dye sweatsuit, so it's black and then bleached, and I got the sweatpants as well as the cropped sweatshirt. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I just gotta say, this is so sick. Like, it's not something that I typically wear, so I thought it would be fun to kind of try it out and style it, but I'm honestly loving it. This is so cute. Look at it up close, like, and the pants too, like, I'm so impressed by this, but I might just have to stay in this for the rest of the afternoon and evening because it's starting to get a little cooler outside because it's raining. But just gotta say, this might be my new fave sweatsuit. So on her website or site, which will both be linked down below, it's the cappuccino set. So the cappuccino cropped sweater as well as the cappuccino track pants. And yeah, they're just so cute. I got a medium in the top and then a small in the sweatpants. I think I forgot to show you guys when I got home from Ikea, but these are just some of the little things that I picked up, and I plan on getting more stuff like this. But of course, you guys know vanilla is my favorite scent, and these little candles are the bomb. I've already previously gone through 2 or 3 of them because I got them back when I first moved in, but these are only like $2. They are so cute, and when you take off all the packaging and stuff, super aesthetic. Then I also got this little tea light holder. I'm planning on putting this in the shelf in my office, and then of course the matching flavored scent vanilla tea lights. This was only $4, I think it was, and there's a whole bunch of them. There's 30 of them in here, so I will not go through those for a while. And then this was only $2 as well. So Ikea is great for lots of cheap, like, little aesthetic candles and stuff that you just want to look nice but don't want to spend a whole lot of money on. These are great. So I'm thinking kind of for the rest of the afternoon, I might just kind of stay here, chill in my bed, do some computer work, get some video editing done, jot down some future ideas, do some planning and stuff, just kind of get some like admin work done, but chill here in my cozy sweatsuit, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. You got a little bit of insight into my upcoming apartment reno video. It is coming, I promise. It's just taking a long time. I have packages coming in, things coming in for my apartment still. I'm still filming it, still editing it. I know I've been filming it since legit like August last year, so it's been like 8 months, but I promise you it is coming. Just keep staying tuned. I'm so sorry, But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I love you guys so much. Keep those video requests coming, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!